Hi, Vimer! Una muna sa lahat, happy birthday! 18 ka na. Susunod na rin ako. Joke. Sorry kung haggard, medyo late na rin kasi, pero carry yan. Anyway, I made this video for two different reasons. One is that I want it to be a keepsake of your special day, and two, I want to give a close-up inspection on everybody's birthday wishes. It'll give us a closer look on how they prepared their messages, prepared or impromptu, and I hope that it'll give you a more intimate feel on what we can say for your special day. Alright. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little video I've compiled for you for your watching, and I hope you get to enjoy more of the beautiful day we have in store for you.
Vimer, may homework ba?
Hi! Hi!
Hi, Vimer!
Hi, Vimer!
Hi, Vimer!
Hi, Vimer!
Hello, hot stuff!
Hi, Vimer Pots!
Hi, Vimer!
Hi, Vimer!
Hi, Vimer!
Hi, Vimer!
Ay.
Hi, Vimer!
Oh, hi, Vimer!
Happy 18th birthday! 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 성적 받았어. Happy birthday, Vimer Pue.
Happy 18th birthday! Even though you're not in Puerto Princesa, remember that your friends are always there for you. And please do not forget to enjoy your birthday here in Los Baños. Stay positive, have faith in God, and enjoy the birthday! Have some fun, guys!
Alam mo ba, inakit ko tong punong to para sa'yo. Pero hindi talaga yung mahalaga.
Happy birthday, Vimer! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung day mo ngayon. Tapos, sana ma-appreciate mo lahat ng ginawa natin. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. God bless! We love you!
Happy birthday, Vimer! Sana lumaki ka na. Pero, oo nga, seryoso nga yun. And then, thank you for being a good friend. More birthdays to come. Always be happy. Wala akong masabi. Sorry. Ang ganda mo. Thank you.
And study well para ma-prove mo na
Hi, John Vimer! Happy 18th birthday! So, official ka na talagang, nanay ng barkada. 18. Hayaan mo, okay lang yan. 18 ka man, hindi naman halatang 18 ka. Alam mo na kung bakit. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Pero, ito sasabihin ko. Ito to. Ayun. Stay pretty. Tsaka, happy birthday ulit. Do whatever you want with whoever you want to do it with. Sabi nga niyan. Sige. Happy birthday ulit! 안녕하세요. 생일 축하합니다. 친구야. Ay, hindi ulit.
Alam mo ba, inakit ko tong punong to para sa'yo.
Surprise! Na-surprise ka ba? Happy birthday, Vimer! Ayun, good luck sa lahat. Akad's life, love life, sa lahat. Stay as you are, and I wish you all the best. Love you.
Ay, chicks ka pala. Vimer, 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 Vimer. Vimer. Ano bang pumapasok sa isip ko pag narinig ko yung pangalang Vimer? Feeling ko, Vimer, ayun yung longest bone sa katawan natin. Ayun, Vimer. Get it? Vimer. Vimer. Like, yeah. Oh my God, I'm so funny, no? So, ayan. Vimer. Feeling ko man last word syndrome ako sa Vimer. Beamer. Happy birthday! Yan, ikaw daw ang pinakamatanda. Kunwari, hindi ako kasing edad mo. What? Hindi, promise, hindi ako kasing edad mo. Anyways, happy birthday. Sana more bondings to come pa. I can feel it. Excuse me. Sorry. Yan. Ngayon, legal ka na. Let's go party. Yo, let's go girl. You can do it. Yo, bye-bye.
Beamer, may utang ka pa sa aking libre.
Alam mo ba, inakyat ko tong punong to para sa'yo eh. Pero hindi talaga yun ang mahalaga ngayon. Ang mahalaga, pwede ka nang magsigarilyo. Pwede ka na rin makulong. Teka, ano pala yun? Birthday mo pala ngayon, no? Happy birthday. Okay.
Hi lang, di ba? Hi, Beamer! Ganun kaliit kita. Maliit ka. Tapos ikaw si Chupiglet. Tapos little sister kita. Happy birthday! Chupiglet! Hello! Happy birthday! Birthday mo nga pala, no? Kaya nga bumati ako. Hi, Beamer! Happy 18th birthday! Tanda mo na, mas matanda ka sa akin, pero mas matangkad ako sa'yo. Pero kahit maliit ka, ayun, ang sayo mo kasama. Ang sayo kasama. At sana lagi kang maging masaya, tapos mag-excel ka sa ACADS mo, and sa love life din. Yun. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Beamer! At dahil birthday mo yon, you are so tall. Yes, you are so tall. So, sa birthday mo ngayon, ang wish ko ay bigyan mo ako ng height. Yes, happy birthday. And you know that I love you.
Beamer, happy birthday, and I wish you many more birthdays to come, and I wish you high grades sa ACADS mo, and ipagpatuloy mo lang yung nasimulan mo na pag-study ng well. Yun, and sa amin, yun, wag mo kaming kalilimutan kapag meron kang problema, nandito lang kami, and sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. And o nga pala, itong video na to na tinitake ngayon ay kakamit lang natin sa may Baker Hall. Yun, lalang. Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Beamer. I hope you enjoy your day. Sana ma-appreciate mo yung ginawa namin. Yay! Alam mo ba, ikaw yung pinakamatanda, pero bakit ikaw yung pinakamaliit? Hihi. I love you, Beamer. God bless you always. More birthdays to come. Ingat lagi. Love, 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 Josh.
안녕하세요. 생일 축하합니다, 친구야. Nais ka naming batiin ng maligayang kaarawan sa araw na ito.
Naway pagpalain ka ng Panginoon.
At naway mag-enjoy ka. I-enjoy mo na yan. Ano ba Tagalog enjoy? Maging maligaya ka sa araw na ito.
De, Chos. Pero seriously speaking, alam mo yon, naratel kami, kaka-prepare para sa birthday mo.
So, sana ma-appreciate mo kasi ang astig namin, ginawa namin yan 1 week only.
Yes, yes.
We love you, Beamer.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday!
Bems!
18th birthday, Bems!
Yes.
Okay, ano na?
Dali na. Oy, dali.
Ano?
Ano masabi? Dahil 18 ka na, Bems. Bigyan mo akong taba. Lalo na yung boobs. Wala akong natin sasabihin.
Congrats, may love life ka na. Alam ko namang...
Wala. Iingatan ka ni Kuya Joker. Basta yun, love you, ingat, love you.
Hi, Bems! Hello! Biglaan ata ko. Basta, singit lang ata. So, nakaano lang. Happy 18th birthday. Tapos, love you. Wala ko yun. Love you. Love you.
Bye-bye! Love
Bye-bye.
you!
Ayan. Happy birthday, Beamer. It's your 18th birthday. It's your debut. Ayun nga. Ngayong mga nakaraang linggo, naaway mo ako kasi wala nga ako sa birthday mo talaga kasi nga may field trip kami. Hindi ko naman talaga ginusto yun. Actually, dapat nga 22 ako mag-ano. Pero, lahat ng, kasi, ng debut tuloy. Lahat ng field trips nalipat ng March 1. So, unfortunately, talagang wala ako nung araw ng birthday. Pero ngayon, don't worry, prepare kami ng ganitong, party. It's a party, bilang halata. Tapos, ayun nga, pinrepare namin to dahil, inutusan kami ni tita. Inutusan ako ni tita na, na mag-prepare nga nitong party na to kasi hindi sila makakapunta. Supposedly, pupunta sila, pero hindi. This party is all about you, not about us. So, enjoy the whole day. Enjoy the whole day of excitement, even it's not your birthday anymore. But, feel the, thrill of your birthday. Happy birthday, Beamer! Stay happy, stay sweet, stay smiling, and I hope you're blessed so much, and I hope na maging masaya ka rin sa love life mo. Yay. Tapos don't forget na kailangan mag-graduate on time, na kailangan mag-excite ka sa ACADS. Yay. And we love you, Beamer. Yun lang. Happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday.
I hope you enjoyed this little gift I made for you. Actually edited for you since messages namin lahat to para sa'yo, and we wish you all the best, and remember that we're always here for you, and happy birthday, and we love you so much.